Welcome to Vlorish. We are so excited to show you how you can get the most out of this amazing app. Now let's revisit the budget page briefly. To manage your budget effectively, you start with your income at the top and list all your expenses. Calculate your net income, and hopefully, it's a positive number. Once you have your net income, the next step is to allocate funds for your goals, which are already set up for you. If you're interested in investing some of your net income each month, you can easily set that as part of your financial plan. On the transactions page, you can categorize some of your expenses as going toward those investments. This way, you always have a clear picture of your financial situation. You can see your income, expenses, money allocated for goals, and the portion you're investing. Your free cash is the exciting part of budgeting. It represents the money you have available to spend or add to your cash reserve. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Goodbye.